parang from the pan to the fire, yung nangyari, di ba? Dual role. So parang it reminds me of this quote, profound na. Parang two things reveal person's character, when they have nothing and when they have everything. So, si Jet, di ba, hindi mo naman tinatago, yung rags to riches na story. So, when you look back at your struggling days, anong nagsa-stand out sa memory mo?
Sa akin ba?
When you had nothing, ngayon you have everything na.
Rugs to road to riches pa rin eh.
Still in the road.
Wala pa sa riches.
Wala pa sa riches.
Pero, yun po, ang naalala ko po dati, theater actor ako. Meron ng role sa theater. But, pag kinuha ako na character actor sa teleserye, syempre hindi naman ako kilala sa TV industry. Alam lang nila, theater actor yan, reliable yan. So, yung hirap dati para makakuha ng trabaho ganun. At sumalang sa isang environment na hindi mo alam kung welcome ka ba o hindi. Kasi hindi ako naninisi ng mga tao, hindi ako naninisi ng produksyon, hindi ako naninisi ng kung sino man. But it's actually a system not just in the Philippines but also abroad. You have to know how to belong and you have to sell yourself not just before the project but while in the project. Kailangan ganun eh, binibenta mo pa rin yung sarili mo. So, siyempre nakukumpara ko dati ngayon, nakakapagpida sa pelikula, nakakapagawa ng Korean adaptation, Mexican film adaptation, nagna-number 1 sa Netflix. Samantalang dati, pag nabigyan ako ng isang linya, dadagdagan ko ng 2 words yan. Para ang dating ko, ang dating Bibo. Yun, para sabi, alam mo, yung matangkad na maitim na yun, kunin natin uli yun ha. Kasi okay siya, pwede siyang maging assistant ni Johnny Delgado, hitman, killer. Mga ganyan naririnig ko dati. But it will always boil down to those experiences will actually mold you into who you are as an artist. Yeah, exactly. Yun lang po.
And what has fame taught you naman so far?
Kim always taught me every night, no?
Fame.
Okay.
Ano, Kim?
Hindi ko mag-get, sorry. Hindi ko na-explain. Well, si Kim, actually, ano kasi ako bargas talaga ako eh. I always aggressive in terms of desires and needs and wants. I always think that everything is not enough. Yung effort ko, tsaka nakukuha ko, laging not enough. Maganda na may katabi kang kagaya ni Kim na sasabihin lang sa'yo na you did a great job, that's enough. Hindi mo na kailangan magangat pa na kung ano. Or you're already enough as who you are. Maybe it's time for you to relax and chill and you give time for yourself. Si Kim po yun. Yeah.
Pero magandang answer, but yung question ko is, what has fame taught you? Hindi
What has Pain taught What has Kim
Pero
taught
hindi,
me?
okay rin yun.
Thank you, sorry. Pain taught me to... Fame or pain?
Fame, kasi ka.
Fame, oh sorry. Hindi ko marinig, sorry. Fame has taught me to balance yourself in terms of who you are inside fame and who you are outside everything else. So, meaning to say, masarap, ito lagi ko sinasabi, ang pagiging sikat ay makapangyarihan. Pag pumunta ka sa isang airport at nakitang ikaw ang sikat, kahit katabi mo bilyonaryo, nasa iyo ang importansya. Ganun kalaki ang kapangyarihan ng pagiging sikat at yun ay nakaka-addict. Kaya sa tingin ko lang naman, I'm not gonna be very political, but this is gonna be a political topic. That's why there are some artistas or celebrities that na tumatakbo sa pagiging politiko. Not about the money, but the power. That's what I think. Yeah.
What about Kim?
Talino, napapakasalan ko yan siya.
Minsan lang matanong ng mga profound question ni
Tita Dali talaga. Kasi Tita Dali
eh.
yung nakabahan ako ganyan. Iniisip ko to habang nagsasagot ka eh. Wait lang. Okay. Tumahimik. May pressure kasi ganun yung sagot mo. Ako, Tita, I think fame taught me to be more grounded and to look back to where and how I got to the place that I am now. Oh! Ganda nun. Yun na po yun.
Thank you.
Pinrompt mo yun, no?
Oh, pinrompt ko.
ChatGPT.
If you want to, please tell me how to ChatGPT.
Thank you.